Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today on Mercedes E-Class, guys, right here, the W211, we're going to show you guys how to remove and replace the driver's side dash vent. Okay, this one, if it's broken, if it's not working, if it doesn't look good, you want to replace it, we'll show you how to remove it now. It's not very complicated, but you have to know what you're doing, otherwise you're going to cause damage to it, and we'll show you why. We've seen many broken in the past. So first we need to remove, okay, that thing right here. So there is one tooth in this corner, so if you get a very small screwdriver, okay, usually you can pry those open. Okay, it's almost coming out. Okay, right there. And then there is two more, okay, right here, but you're going to pry it down and it will come out. Okay, next we need to remove that trim. So it has two clips. You need to get a trim removal tool. Okay, and you're going to pry it. Okay, right there. So those are the clips. Now we need to remove that plastic cover as well. That's for the fuses. So pull that thing out of the way, because we have one more bolt underneath. With a T25, we're going to remove it. This one here. Okay, and the one on top that we remove the cover. Now you can grab it, guys. Okay, this one is still holding a little bit, so we still need to remove a little bit more. Okay, right there. And it's going to drop now, so you need to make sure that you hold it. Okay, and we have the wires now. So there is one tooth, okay, right here, so you need to pry a little bit, okay, to get the wire out of the way. And the vent is right here, guys. Pretty simple when you know what needs to be done. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.